Welcome to Learning Unit 18-2. We're going to start with number 1, where we're going to be looking for how to calculate the cost of ending inventory using the retail method. And we're going to round the cost ratio to the nearest 10th percent. So if we first calculate our cost, we have beginning inventory of $18,000 at cost, net purchases during the month of $220,000 for a total of $238,000 cost of goods available for sale at cost. If we look at retail, the beginning inventory is $58,000. Net purchases during the month are $376,000 for a total retail valuation of $434,000. If we take the cost total of $238,000 divided by the retail total of $434,000, we are going to get 54.8% rounded to the nearest tenth. So in order to value our ending inventory, we're going to take the net sales for the month of $364,000, subtract that from the retail amount of $434,000, and we end up with $70,000. In order to figure out the ending inventory at cost, we take $70,000, multiply it by the 0.548, which is 54.8%, turned into a decimal, and we end up with $38,360. For number 2, we're going to calculate the estimated cost of ending inventory using the gross profit method. So we have beginning inventory of $27,000, net purchases of $7,500 for a total cost of goods available for sale of $34,500. We then need to figure out the sales at retail of $15,000 times the cost percent, which is going to be 100% minus the 40%, which is 60%, leaving us with 0.60 as a decimal. $15,000 times 0.6 leaves us with $9,000, which is our estimated cost of goods sold. We take our $34,500, subtract out the $9,000, and we have estimated ending inventory of $25,500. For number 3, we're going to calculate the inventory turnover at cost and at retail and round to the nearest hundredth. So the inventory turnover at cost, we take cost of goods sold of $60,900 and divide it by the average inventory at cost of $10,590, leaving us with 5.75. The inventory turnover at retail, you take your net sales of $109,890 divided by the average inventory at retail of $19,180, and we get 5.73. Now we're going to look at distributing overhead to departments A and B based on floor space. So we take Department A, which has $10,000, and Department B, which has $30,000. And this is going to be totaled, $10,000 plus $30,000 is $40,000. So we've got a ratio of $10,000 divided by $40,000 is 0.25 for Department A. We multiply that by the $70,000, and we distribute to Department A $17,500 of overhead. For Department B, we take $30,000, divide that by the total of $40,000, that equals 0.75, multiplied by $70,000, and that equals $52,500. If you add the $17,500 plus the $52,500, it does total our $70,000 of overhead.